Hi, it's another Joel Does video. Remember to like, turn on notifications, and punch that subscribe button. We're going to be doing how to make your bed. I'll get right into the video. So first, you have to get your duvet, put it with the buttons facing that side. Then you tuck this into it, like this, and then put your pillow there, bring it back out again, and then tuck in the sides. Put your pillow there, and if you've got a toy, put it there. And finished. Now you can just do that, and then fold that over. See you next time on Joel Does. Remember to like and subscribe.